Namaste. I am Dr. Surinder Kumar. I did my PhD in plant physiology from Haryana Agricultural University, Hisar in 1974 and taught UD and PD classes there for 10 years. During my coaching to the students of class 8th to 10th over the last more than 10 years, I have seen students making mistakes in calculations and taking very long time in doing so in math as well as in science. This persuaded me to find ways and means to make the things better for them. Over the last 4 years or so, I have been in touch with Vedic math. Shri Bharati Krishna Tiraj Maharaj, the father of Vedic math, whose trials have been taken to a global level by the untiring efforts of Mr. Ken Williams. Anybody interested in the huge contribution of Mr. Ken Williams can click on the link given below to know more about him. His work has inspired me to go deeper into various aspects of Vedic math. While recording and launching my first YouTube video, what a coincidence, today is my granddaughter Jaceline's birthday as well. I wish her happy birthday and a bright future. She is an 8th class student in US, and while teaching her and to my students Vedic methods over the last 2 years, I have found encouraging response from them. Hence, to reach a larger section of the students, this YouTube channel has been started by me. To start with, I have chosen to take up the digit sum method for checking our additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions, which all the students are doing every day while studying math and solving numerical problems in science. Traditional method has no method to make sure that one's calculations are correct or not. And for this, we have to know what is a digit sum. To obtain digit sum, we add all the digits of a number to obtain a number whose digits are added again and again till we get a single digit number in the answer. For example, we take this big number. So we add 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, plus 8 is 31, plus 1 is 32, plus 9 is 41, plus 4 is 45, plus 8 is 53, plus 9 is 62, and plus 5 is 67. 6 plus 7 gives you 13, and 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So 4 is the digit sum. There is another method to do this. We keep adding digits till we get a 2-digit number, which is converted into a single digit number by addition, and this process continues by adding all the digits of the number to get ultimately the single digit number. For example, we take the small number 43671. So we add 4 plus 3 plus 6 getting 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Adding this 7 to this, we get 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, and add to this 1 and you get 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is our digit sum. Another method which is a bit simpler, easy, quicker, if we know the complements of 9. For example, here in this number, we have 5 plus 4 equal to 9, so this goes off. 7 plus 2, 9 goes off, 9 goes off, and what remains is 3. So there is no need to add, and just complements of 9 are added, and you get the digit sum. Now we use this digit sum method to see our additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions, are they correct or not. Let's start with addition. So we have 3 numbers being added and the answer below. So for the first number, let's find out the digit sum. So we have 4 plus 5 equal to 9, 7 plus 2 equal to 9, and then there is a 9, and what's left is 8. So 8 is the digit sum. For the next number, you have 7 and 2 equal to 9, 6 and 3 equal to 9, and 9, and there is the 4 left. And for the next, you have 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 7, 9, and what's left is 4. So you have these 3 digits as the sum of digits would be 8 plus 4 is 16, 1 plus 6 is 7. And let's see, do we get 7 here in the answer? So here we have 1 and 8 gone, 2 and 7 gone, and then we have 4 and 3, that is equal to 7, and there is a 9. So 9 goes, and what remains is 7. So we should have got an answer equal to 7, and that's 7. So that means our addition is correct. Let's come to subtraction now. So I have subtracted this number from this number, and we have got this answer. Let's see what is the digit sum of this. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 9 is gone, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9, and what's left is 3. But I have put 12 here because what I'm getting here below is minus 7. So it's easier to subtract minus 7 from 12 and to get an answer equal to 5. So here 7 would be coming. 7 plus 2 is 9 gone, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. So I should get the answer equal to 5. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is gone. So 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. That means this subtraction is correct. Let's see the example of multiplication. Multiplying 602 with 596, we get this answer. And let's see what is the digit sum. 6 and 2 is 8, and 9 gone. 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. Multiplying these 2, 8 into 2 is 16, and 1 plus 6 is 7. I should have this answer equal to 7. And let's see here. So 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 gone. 8 plus 5 is 13, and 3, 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. So hence this multiplication is also correct. Then comes the division. And in division we have divided 1491 with 21 to get the quotient equal to 71. Now here we are to take the help of this method. The above division can also be written as 1491 divided by 21 is equal to 71. Taking the 21 to the other side, we get 1491 equal to 71 into 21. Taking their digit sum. So here the digit sum of 1491 is 6. That of 71 is 7 plus 1, 8, and 21 is 2 plus 1, 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. Hence, this division is also correct. Let's take few more problems about subtraction, multiplication, divisions, the problems that will be coming across in these. And here, in these, the number is 2, and the number to be subtracted is minus 8. This can be done in another way. So we subtract the bigger number from the smaller number from the bigger number to get the answer, and put a bar on this because minus is greater than plus, and after putting the bar we find its complement of 9. So for complement of 9 for 6 is 3. So 3 should be the answer, and what we see below is, so 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, and 6, 20 plus 1 is 21, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this way also we can do this subtraction. Instead of putting it at 11 and then subtracting 8 from this, we can do it like this also. In the case of multiplication, what we can see is, if one of the two multiplicating factors is 0, the answer would be 0. So I have taken these two examples to cite this. So here it is 6 and this is 0. The answer should come 0. And we see here 7 plus 2 is 9 gone. So 3 plus 1, 4, and 3, 7, and 2, 9 is 0. And here I have taken this as 0, and the multiplicand is 5. So 0 into 5 is 0, and let's see the answer here. 5, 3, 8, and 1, 9, and that's gone. 9 is gone, 0 is left. So 0 is the answer. Now let's take the example of division. So I have divided 6192 with 72. So 6192 is having the digit sum 0, and 72 is also having a digit sum 0. But this quotient has digit sum equal to 5. So when we multiply 0 with 5, we get 0. And here if we see that if this is 0, then the product of these two must be 0. So for example, 1 into 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3, 1, 2 is 6. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 is 1 plus 8 is 9, and it's equal to 0. So this way you can have these problems being solved and see your multiplications are correct or not. Hope that this presentation must be helping you in future to see your calculations are correct or not. Shortly I am coming up with videos on multiplication, and the first would be vertically and crosswise for any number with any other number having any number of digits. That's the general method of multiplication. Then we will have special methods for multiplications like this, which will be coming in future very shortly. Thank you very much.